about Ralph Nelson Elliott and his theory. Welcome. At first, it would be good to know something about the person who developed the theory which we will be exploring in a whole course. This way, we will pay our respect to the waves theory creator. So the creator of the wave principle is Ralph Nelson Elliott, who lived between 1871 and 1948. He was engaged in many things in his life. For 25 years he worked in Mexico, for example on the railway. He started from less responsible tasks, finishing on the position of an accountant and a manager. He also lived in Nicaragua and Guatemala. For some time of his life he was running his own consultant company. During years of his professional career, he appeared to be a good organizer with a bright and efficient mind. Unfortunately, in Central America, he went down with probable anemia, which became severe in about 1929 when Elliott was 58 years old. His health condition forced him to retire. In this period, after reading a book of Robert Rea, Dow Theory, he decided to take up the analysis of the shares market. Elliott stated that after conceiving his own theories, that his concepts are the only development of the Dow theory. Elliott discovered that the trend hidden in the prices and the turning points of the market form a recognizable pattern, shapes which he later highlighted. They were so characteristic that made a repeated form which enabled him to draw certain conclusions. Elliott defined 13 formations which repeated on the market. Then he named and illustrated these formations. He described how they join together in bigger structures and how they form the same structures in a bigger scale. Later on, he referred his theory to the processes and behaviors of people, widely going beyond the market. The first book describing the theory of Elliott was written by Charles J. Collins, titled The Elliott Wave Principle. Collins was also the first from the people of Wall Street to whom Elliott presented his thoughts. Between 1953 and 1967, Arthur Hamilton Bolton published Elliott Wave Supplement. This supplement was then published under the auspices of Robert Prechter. The most popular book presenting the principles of wave theory, in which no doubt the publication Elliott Wave Principle Key to Market Behavior, written by Alfred J. Frost and Robert Prechter Jr. Certainly you have many questions. One of these is the most common. How much can we hear on applying this theory? Prechter himself was famous being a practitioner. He achieved the rate of return at the level of 4,444% during one of the contests he was taking part in. The wave theory enables the unlimited profits. Investing based on this theory enables to analyze the monthly charts as well as speculating on really low time intervals like M5, M15, and earning money on day trading. But only the full understanding the principles and rules enables its full use, and that is why it is very important to get to know all the aspects of which Elliott was talking about. At the end of this lesson, I will share with you the sentence which I remembered well. It describes fully the issue which you can achieve and lose. When you are investing, you can earn 10,000% in any period of time, but you can also lose even 100% of your money at a glance.